Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, slide the service cover release latch to the unlocked position, identified by a service cover icon. Slide the service cover toward the front of the notebook. Lift the service cover off of the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the service cover into position on the base enclosure. Slide the service cover toward the rear of the notebook until it is properly seated and the service cover release latch clicks. Slide the service cover release latch to the locked position, identified by a lock icon,